Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I miss all of you guys, and I can't believe it's almost summer. We have about two more homeworks, two more assignments to do for quarantine, and then it's summer vacation. So I'll show you what we're doing today. So go into Google Classroom. So this is just for ESL 1. Open that up. Okay, so this week I am teaching you something new about the future. So future verb tense, going to. So watch Miss Aguiar's video and complete the Google Slide document. So open the document. Okay. So welcome to the future. So el futuro, u futuro. We use going to in English. So we talk about plans for the future, planes para el futuro, planos para el futuro, and predictions for the future, predicciones para el futuro, previsões para el futuro. So what is going to happen in the future? Oops, so for example, let's move this. I am going to Pau Brazil after work. So we know, so not now, but later in the future. Tomorrow, they are going to sleep until 1 p.m. So not today, but tomorrow in the future. Miss Aguiar is going to relax in the summer. So the summer, so not now, but later. Okay, so make a sentence. So we need to put some verbs together. So we use the subject, I, he, she, it, you, they, we. Verb to be, not for negative sentences. Going to, and another verb. Okay, so verb to be is am. Going to play video games. So in the future, he is going to play video games. She is going to play video games. It is going to rain tomorrow. So chover or llover. So it is going to. So we use for the weather. So usamos para la clima, a clima. Whoops. Okay. You are going to play video games. They are going to play video games. We are going to play video games. Okay. And for negative, something not going to happen, you could put I am not or they are not for negatives. Okay, so make a question. Remember, sometimes we have a question word, sometimes we don't. We put verb to be, the pronoun, going to, verb, and finish the sentence. So we have homework on Saturday. So a question. Are, verb to be, you, pronoun, going to do homework on Saturday? Are you going to do homework on Saturday? Okay, video games today. Is Wanderson going to play video games today? Okay, now what? The question word. What are you going to do in the summer? Okay, a friend today. Are you going to call a friend today? What? Okay, and for shop. What is Eddie going to choose for shop class? And where tomorrow? Let's see. Where are you going to be tomorrow? Okay, so these are some questions with verb to be and going to. Okay, so now this is your turn. So answer the questions. Okay, answer the questions with going to. What are you going to do after your quarantine homework? Okay, how do we start this? I am going to, okay, future tense, and finish the sentence. What are you going to do tomorrow? 3. What are you going to do on the weekend? What are you going to do in the summer? So continue to use I am going to. Okay, now, so look at the pictures and use the verbs I give you. So what is going to happen? ¿Qué es lo que va a pasar? Or o qué va a acontecer? So guys, what is going to happen next in the picture? So I think the dog is going to, and I use this, guys, so I can copy this. The dog is going to run away. Okay? So we have to fall on the girls. What is going to happen? Use the picture, the verb, okay. What is going to happen? What is going to happen? Okay, so you have 8 of these pictures to do. So if you are confused, go back. All right, go back and look at the sentences here, okay? Or look at these sentences here. All right, so if you need help, you can come on to my Zoom call next week, or you can send me an email, or you can send me a text message if you need any help. Bye, guys.